guys, T here with another video. Yes, my hair look all crazy. It's because I want to show you guys 3 ways to do a simple head wrap using only a scarf. You can go to the store, your local store, and get yourself a nice scarf. The only problem is it's best to get winter scarf. Reason for that is it's much thicker and it's better to get a long scarf because you have more room to work with. I'm going to show you 3 ways how to do a head wrap. So right now I just want to show you the back, how my hair look. I just pinned these 2 braids, one on this side and one on the other side. So I am going to go in with this got to be defined pomade. This is what it's like. This thing smells really good. So next step is you're going to get yourself a wig cap, and you put it over your hair like this, but you want to make sure the areas that you brushed in line up with the cap. You push it like this so everything will be slicked. So I'm going to show you the back after I put the wig cap on. So everything is slicked in, and that's what you want to do. You want to make sure that everything is slicked into the wig cap. The scarf I'm going to use, it's a winter scarf, and this is what it looks like. It's very long scarf. Okay, so I'm going to bend it. It's a long scarf, so I kind of have to put it laid somewhere. When you fold it, I shouldn't say bend, but fold. When you fold, it should look like this. Hoping you guys are seeing that. You see that? Yes. So the first one I'm going to do is laying it at the back. So you're going to put that part on top of your head like this, okay? And you're going to hold it back tight. And of course you're still going to see like this little bump because of course my hair is braided. Alright, I'm going to turn around and show you guys what I'm doing. So now you have two pieces. So now you have 2 pieces. You are going to tie it in the back. So you tie it, you could see that. You twist, go crisscross, right? Crisscross. You go around that bump in the back of your head, but you always have to keep twisting though. Last piece, you just tuck it under the scarf. So as you can see, it's kind of tilt to the side, and you can move it. Move it to the side, and you can push this back a little off your forehead. Just take your time though and just pull it back. Alright, so next we are going to do, you don't have to loose it, still secure, right? You twist this, you're going to bring it to the front. And you twist the other piece, right? So now you have these 2 pieces. You're going to combine them together and wrap them together like a chain. Okay, and then you just come around with it. Alright, so I am going to actually hide some of these because it's It's not looking very cute. And then it's for the back. This is what the back looks like. So this flap right here, this flap, you're going to want to pull it and tuck it under the hair. To be honest, you guys, you can use a bobby pin and just pull this under. Alright, so now we're going to get to the final look. I'm not sure if you guys are seeing this. Yes, you guys are seeing this. I'll show it to you. You're going to put it on the back of your head. Alright, once it's like that, you are going to see this little piece dent in. Keep it in. Alright. You can do two things. You can go ahead and wrap it this way. And then you just take your time this time. This one you're going to take your time with. And when you're pulling it, it's going to feel really tight, but don't worry, at the end it won't feel that tight. But you want to fold it underneath each other, and you keep twisting the hair, not the hair, the scarf, and you lift it, right, and you twist, because you want that bottom piece, you want whatever you're wrapping go underneath, not up, not above, but underneath. And you keep twisting. Now once you reach to the end of your twist, you're gonna push it under. Gonna tuck it underneath. Underneath, guys. Underneath the bun. Okay, so I'm gonna show it to you without these things hanging, because not everybody's gonna like these, and I'm here for you guys. I'm here to please you guys as much as I can in whatever way I can. So what I do, I just twist these little dangling things here, and all you have to do is tuck them. So this is where you're gonna need a tail comb, because the tail comb helps you tuck these things under so neatly. Okay, this part I just kind of twist it in there. Just gonna hide it, hide it. And this, anything that's peeking out, all you gotta do is tuck it. Just find somewhere and you just tuck it. Just see, you hide it. See that little piece that was peeking up? Just get it tucked. How beautiful. So I'm going to give you a 360 of this look. It's my favorite. Okay guys, so we have come to the end of our this video. Thank you guys so much for just staying with your girl and watch her doing all these 3 different style of wrap to make y'all look beautiful, right? So these wraps is really for bad hair days. Like nobody knows what's going on under this, right? But look at me, don't I look fly? Look at this girl. Can anyone say she got some raggedy hair under that scarf? No, all they're seeing is the outward right now. They're not seeing what's going on the inward over underneath the scarf, right? But anyway, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know if you have tried any of these and which is your fave and which one you really had a hard time with. Maybe, you know, if you comment down below, I can maybe talk you through it and tell you exactly what to do. And yeah, I'm so appreciative of you guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and loving your girl, because I love you back. I love you back. I really do. Okay. Again, thank you guys so much. This again is my favorite. You can tell. Look at me. Yes, child. All right, so this is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. Guys, please don't forget to thumbs this video up, up, up. Comment down below, low, and share, share to everybody you know. That's what I'm talking about. So yes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below and share this video.